माधवा कुंज विहारी जयो राधा माधवा कुंज विहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
जयो यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन
यमुना तीरावनचारी
यमुना तीरावनचारी
यमुना तीरावनचारी
यमुना तीरावनचारी
जयो राधा माधव कुंज विहारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
जयो यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजना
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन
यमुना तीरावनचारी
यमुना तीरावनचारी
यमुना तीरावनचारी
यमुना तीरावनचारी
जयो राधा माधव कुंज विहारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
जयो राधा माधव कुंज विहारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
जयो राधा माधव कुंज विहारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna
Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jaya Radha Gopinath, Radha Gopinath Radhe.
Radha Gopinath, Radha Gopinath Radhe.
Jaya Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gauranitai.
Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gauranitai.
Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada.
Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada.
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol.
Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
जय कलियुग पावन हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय.
If it is convenient.
If it can just
ये वो वाला चटाई इधर डाल सकते हैं, उधर डालने का मतलब नहीं है, बस वहाँ पे नीचे बैठेंगे तो दिखेगा नहीं. हरे कृष्ण. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनाशलाकया चक्षुरोन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं. वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातां सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनासहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च. हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते. तप्त कांचना गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने. नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna. So welcome everyone to our weekly Bhagavad Gita class. Thank you for taking out your precious time and coming to attend this Gita class. We are continuing our discussion from Bhagavad Gita as it is. We are on chapter 6, which is entitled Dhyana Yoga. And in this chapter, Krishna is explaining various limbs of Ashtanga Yoga, the process of meditation performed by the yogis, which was the prominent yoga in Satya Yuga. कृते यध्यायते विष्णु त्रेतायाम यजतो मखै द्वापरे परिचर्यायाम कलौ तद हरि कीर्तनात्. In Satya Yuga, the way to achieve the Lord was do meditation, Ashtanga Yoga, for thousands of years. Go to the forest and thousands of years of tapasya. In Treta Yuga, the way was doing big yagyas. Tretayam yajato makhai. And in Dwapar Yuga, the way was worshipping the Lord in the temple, in the deity form. And in Kali Yuga, the simplest is given. Kalau tad Hari Kirtanat. Krishna has given custom made for people of Kali Yuga. Because Krishna knows, ज़्यादा देंगे तो कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे. That's why simplest is given for the people of Kali Yuga. And that's what Krishna is explaining in this chapter, the Ashtanga Yoga process. So far we have heard Krishna explaining how there are two levels of this Ashtanga Yogi, Yoga Ruruksha and Yoga Rudha. Yoga Rudha is the advanced level, and Ruruksha is the yogi who has just started this process of Ashtanga Yoga meditation. Krishna explains how this yogi should go to the forest. Shuchau deshe pratisthapya sthiramasanam atmanah nati uchritam nati nicham, na ucha na nicha. The asana should be at a proper level so that he doesn't get distracted, and then he should control his mind and senses. Tatra ekagram manah kritva. Mind should be focused. Manat yata chittendriya kriyaha. And then we heard in the last few verses how Krishna explained how this yogi should meditate on his form, not on impersonal Brahman. So that is described in great detail so far. So we have completed till verse number
15.
15. Okay. So in 15 verse he says, a yogi who is thus engaged, yunjan evam sada atmanam, yogi niyatamanasa, he attains peace and he attains Brahma Nirvana. What is this Brahma Shantim Nirvana? That is, he attains the supreme abode of the Lord. That is, he gets liberated from the material bondage. And now we'll continue from 16th verse. So in 15th verse, Krishna has taken Arjuna to the highest level. Now he is able to see the Lord. Again in the 16th verse, he goes back to the beginning of the yoga system. Krishna does this few times in this chapter. From the new stage from the neophyte stage to the advanced stage. Again he comes to the neophyte stage. He again explains the advanced stage. So now he is going to describe in these two verses the rules which are required to be practiced to make this yoga steady. Otherwise ऐसा नहीं कि योगी एक दिन जाएंगे अष्टांग योग करेंगे बाकी बोलेंगे एक महीना ब्रेक लेके आता हूँ बहुत हो गया. How to be steady in the yoga practices, that is what he'll be describing. What are the restrictions in the yoga practices? So as we have heard in the previous chapters and previous discussions that this is not just for Ashtanga yogi. ये तो अष्टांग योगियों की चर्चा चल रही है, मैं तो भक्ति योगी हूँ, मुझे ये सब नहीं करना है. No, we have to follow these principles. It is very important. So these restrictions, they are required. As soon as the word restrictions come, people say, ये ISKCON में बहुत सारा ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ऐसा मत करो, ये मत खाओ, वहाँ मत जाओ, ऐसा करो, वैसा करो. So many rules and regulations. Prabhupada writes in one translation, he says these are the regulative principles of freedom. They look oxymoron. Oxymoron? Oxymoron matlab apparently opposite. Any examples anybody can give? Somebody said happily married. Sorry. Oxymoron means two words which are put together but they are completely different. So if there is some regulation, that means how can there be freedom? Regulation means there is no freedom. But Prabhupada is writing regulative principles of freedom. The more we are regulated in our practices, the more we are free to achieve the maximum potential. That is what is expected. One time, many years back in our temple, one person he joined and he stayed for some months and then he was leaving. He said, I want to leave. Zyada ho gaya. So he was asked, क्या हो गया, क्या problem क्या था? You tell your problems, we'll try to apply and implement. कुछ problem था, Prasad was not applying. नहीं, Prasad was first class. वो किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, नहीं, everything was okay. Then why are you leaving? बस ना आप ये मंगल आरती ना 5 की जगह 9 बजे कर देंगे ना. सब कुछ अच्छा है उसके अलावा. So these regulations, they are very difficult sometimes. That's why people they like some organizations because आप जो करना है करो, बस हफ्ते में एक बार आओ और आपको जो भी डोनेशन देना है दो, नहीं देना है कोई बात नहीं, एंड चलेगा. whatever you want to do you can continue. You want to eat anything, no problem. But no, regulative principles of freedom. So that is very, very important. Just like one of the principles is chant, we should chant not in the mind, chant audibly. One time Prabhupada was speaking and in the class he said, one should chant audibly, one should not chant in the mind. And he gave a nice class. After that one person came and said, Swamiji, I have heard that you should chant in mind. I have read in scriptures. And Prabhupada was explaining, but he was, stubborn. He was not accepting. And then after some time, Prabhupada said, okay, now we'll stop. Now everybody please go and take prasad. Don't give to this person. He'll eat in mind. वो मन में खाएगा. So sometimes when we hear some regulations, we think ये तो difficult लग रहा है. I can't do this. So now Krishna in these 2 verses, he is going to describe the rules and regulations of Ashtanga Yogi. The restrictions which a yogi should do. We are also yogis. What type of yogis we are? Bhakti Yoga. We are practicing Bhakti Yoga. We are Bhakti Yogis. Okay, we'll recite the 16th verse. नात्यश्नतस्तु योगोऽस्ति
नात्यशस्त्र युगोऽस्ति
न चैकान्तं मनश्नतः
न चैकान्तं नमस्ततः
न चाति स्वप्नशीलस्य
न चाति स्वप्नशीलस्य
जाग्रतो नैव चार्जुन.
जागतो नैव वचार्चन.
Translation.
There is no possibility of one's becoming a yogi, O Arjuna, if one eats too much or eats too little, sleeps too much or does not sleep enough.
So now Krishna in this verse and in the next verse also, he is recommending balance. Na ati ashnata. Ashna means to eat. Ashnami means one who eats. I will eat. Krishna speaks in that verse also, 9.26. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yome bhaktira prayachati tadaham bhakti upritam. Next word. Ashnami. Krishna says, I eat it. If somebody offers with love and devotion, one flower, one fruit, one leaf, one water, I eat it. Now, interestingly, if you read this, how can you eat flower? Anybody has tried eating flowers anytime? They smell good, but they taste bitter. But Krishna, when somebody offers him with love and devotion, he becomes so overwhelmed, doesn't even realize is it edible or not. He eats it. Anyone remembers any story in this regard? Krishna
Banana.
ate something which was not
Banana
to be
skins.
eaten.
Banana skin, Sudama's wife.
Yeah, one time Krishna went to Dwarka, went to Hastinapur, and he went to the house of Vidurji to meet him. Vidurji was not there. His wife Vidurani, she was so overwhelmed seeing Krishna. Krishna came without any notice. Atithi. So she had not prepared anything. So somehow she gathered herself. Please Krishna, come. She gave a seat. And she said, Krishna, I'll get something. So she brought some bananas. And she thought, I'll peel myself and give banana to Krishna. But she was so overwhelmed seeing Krishna. Instead of giving bananas to Krishna, she was throwing a banana and giving peels to Krishna. And Krishna is eating that peel also. Ashnami, Krishna eats it. So, na ashnataha. If somebody eats too much, or anashnataha, and if somebody eats too less. Ati swapna shilasya, if somebody sleeps too much, or jagrato, if somebody sleeps too less, he cannot practice yoga. Yoga means balance. We have to be balanced. This is a very popular word in the outside world, balance. Work-life balance. That is very common. How to be balanced in your work, in your life. Krishna is recommending that. Prabhupada would say, if you sleep too much, you'll become lazy. If you sleep too less, you'll become crazy. So we have to be balanced. And same with respect to eating. If we eat too less, we will not have energy to serve Krishna properly, to do our things properly. And if we eat too much, what will happen? So jayenge. We'll become lazy. One time Prabhupada went with his disciples to a house of a life member, Indian person. And Indian Matajis, how they feed. कुछ लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस होगा, आप जाते होंगे, मतलब जब तक आप ऐसा करके सब नहीं चाहिए आता रहेगा प्लेट पे. So American disciples, they didn't know Indian culture. So they sat for prasad and the Mataji, she starts putting puri ek, puri do, puri, and he's saying no बोला तो चार और. ये क्या है? I'm saying no and she's putting more. Anyways, अभी डाला तो खाना पड़ेगा. And वो डालते जा रहे हैं, खाते जा रहे हैं. And they came back to temple and one devotee starts shouting, Prabhupada, my stomach is paining. Prabhupada said, you ate 25 puris. Other devotees started laughing. Prabhupada said, don't laugh, you ate 15. He said, Prabhupada, how did you know? Prabhupada said, I was counting. So, anashnataha and ati ashnataha, they both are not conducive for spiritual practices. It is described by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in commentary to this purport. He quotes a verse which describes how much to eat. He says half of the stomach should be filled with food, then 1/4 with water, and remaining 1/4 empty. हम लोग मतलब जनरली हम लोग कैसा रहता है जब तक ऐसा, okay, I'll discuss that in some time. So it is very, very important to understand the regulation in our eating. So the purpose of our bodily regulation is not to deprive ourselves, but to become more efficient so that we can connect to the Lord. Just like sometimes devotees, they fast. एकादशी में निर्जल एकादशी कर रहे हैं. And somebody humbly says, Prabhu ji, मैं तो 4 बार खा रहा हूँ. I can't fast. So this devotee who is fasting nirjal and he is thinking, I am such a great devotee. ये लोग तो सब पतित लोग हैं. मैं तो निर्जल एकादशी करता हूँ. He is fasting, but he is feasting his ego. His ego is enjoying. I have become such a great, wonderful devotee. So he is anashnataha, but he is not practicing yoga conducively because he is becoming proud. So it is very, very important. If we are doing something, if we are doing some services, if we are doing some devotional practices, Most important thing is we should not be proud. Krishna doesn't like proud people. None of us like proud people. We all want to meet people who are humble, but we forget to become one. So it comes sometimes unconsciously. One time, one Mataji, she made samosas for Prabhupada. And Prabhupada, she gave 2, and Prabhupada ate. She gave 2 more. Prabhupada ate that also. So she thought maybe Prabhupada is liking my cooking. So she went and asked Prabhupada. So she thought maybe I am Prabhupada's favorite cook. Prabhupada is eating so nicely. She thought maybe I should ask only. Why to speculate? So she said, Prabhupada, who is your favorite cook? Prabhupada said, myself. So we should be very, very careful, doing austerity. But if we are not humble enough, Krishna describes in 17th chapter. Please take out 17th chapter. 17th, 18th, 19th. 3 verses. Krishna describes austerity in 3 modes. Tapasya can also be done in 3 modes. It is not that tapasya is always wonderful. Tapasya 17.17, 18, 19. 17.17 describes tapasya in the mode of goodness. We'll recite that. Shraddhaya paraya tapta
Chada paraya tapta
tapastatra vidham narai
tapasitra vidam nari
afalakankshi bhiryuktai
akaramsha briktavi
satvikam paricakshate.
satvikam parikshate.
What is tapasya in the mode of goodness? Please read the translation.
This threefold austerity performed with the transcendental faith by men not expecting material benefits but engaged only for the sake of the Supreme is called austerity in goodness.
Okay. Afalakankshi. I am doing tapasya, but I don't want the results. I am doing this Ekadashi Nirjal Vrata, but I don't want people to come and glorify me. कितने महान devotee हो गए प्रभु जी. ऐसा लगता बोलेंगे नहीं, but that's इतने तो कल्चर्ड हैं अभी कि बोलेंगे नहीं, बट इनसाइड थोड़ा लगता है नहीं, कोई आके बोलेगा तो कितना अच्छा लगेगा. प्रभु जी सच्चा वंडरफुल डिवोटी, क्या तपस्या कर रहे हैं. आई कांट इवन थिंक ऑफ, एंड इनसाइड से कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, हो जाओगे, तुम भी बड़े बन जाओगे. सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी डेंजरस. अफलाकांक्षिभिर युक्तै सात्विकम परिचक्षते. एंड देन what is tapasya in the mode of passion? Any guesses? Without reading the translation. रजोगुण की तपस्या में क्या होता होगा? सत्वगुणी तपस्या means I don't want anything in return. I'm just doing to please the Lord. रजोगुण की तपस्या मतलब? Honor. Okay, thank you. That's what exactly Krishna says. Satkarmana pujartham तपोदम्भेन चैवयात् क्रियते तदिह प्रोक्तम् राजसं चलमध्रुवम्. सत्कार मान पूजा अर्थम. मेरा मान बढ़ेगा, सत्कार होगा, पूजा होगी. दंभ, I'll become, this person becomes proud. Dambha. And what is tapasya in the mode of ignorance?
Hiranyakashipu, Ravan.
The tapasya of the demons. It is done to harm others. How does it start? मूढ़ग्राहेण आत्मनो यत् पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्योत्सादनार्थं वा तत्तामसं मुदारितम्. परस्य उत्सादनार्थम, दूसरों को दुख देने के लिए मैं तपस्या कर रहा हूं. I am doing tapasya to trouble others. That is tapasya in the mode of ignorance. So whenever we are depriving ourselves of material necessities, we should know why we are doing it. When we are doing some fasting, when we are doing some, just like some of us are going to Vrindavan, Govardhan Parikrama करेंगे, 6 hours of walking, without wearing sleepers. अभी से बता रहा हूँ. तो वहां पे जाके बोलेंगे प्रभु जी ये नहीं बताया था आपने, ये हमारे सिलेबस में नहीं था. विदाउट स्लीपर्स. जो यहाँ पे 40-40 किलोमीटर भी भागते हैं. One devotee was telling me, प्रभु जी पाँव में छाले आ गए। मैं बोला आप तो यहाँ पे 40 किलोमीटर हमेशा भागते हैं, वो जूते पहन के भागते हैं ना प्रभु जी। Here we have to walk without wearing slippers. तपस्या है, it is a big तपस्या। But for what? Why we are doing? Why we do all these tapasyas? Why do Ekadashi? Why we do all this Gordhan Parikrama? Why we serve? To please the Lord. Not to get recognition in the devotee community, not to get fame, prestige, but to please the Lord. So that is very important, you know. So when Krishna says, na ati swapna, when somebody sleeps less, it is not to become deprived of sleep, but it is to serve more. That is very, very important. If somebody is just thinking कि आज मैं निर्जल एकादशी करूंगा, and whole day he is thinking कब होगा द्वादशी, कब पारण का टाइम होगा, when I'll eat, then better eat and chant properly. The purpose should not be forgotten. When we forget the purpose, then we can't focus on the present. पता नहीं क्यों कर रहे हैं. So that is very, very important. You know, the goal is to spend less time on the body so that I can spend more time for the Lord. One should not be obsessed by the body. It's just like if somebody gets a new car. What's the purpose of the car? To take us to the destination. But if somebody just gets obsessed by the beauty of the car and the looks of the car, and he's standing beside the car and taking photo of the car, selfie, and forgets to drive to the destination, that is not the purpose. The purpose should never be forgotten. Because in this world, you know, people are so obsessed with how they look. So they get just like somebody gets obsessed with the car. मेरी कार कितनी अच्छी है. अरे कार का पर्पस क्या है? You have to go to the office, you have to go to the destination. Purpose is not just to keep looking at the car. You know, one time in one building, the lift was very slow. Not in Kalpataru. Somewhere. And people were complaining कि lift थोड़ा repair कराइए. And the owner, he was not able to do that. It was costing too much. So what he did, he put a mirror in the lift. And all the complaints stopped. क्यों?
Possessed.
As soon as they enter, ऐसा ठीक है ऐसा. One gets so much obsessed seeing themselves. मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ? How is my hairstyle and how is my, dress? So this is how obsession is. So the purpose of the body is not to get obsessed, but to serve the Lord properly. That's why it is described. Nati ashnata, na chaikanta anashnataha. Balance is very important. Body is a responsive machine. Anything extra you do, body will immediately respond. Body will not wait to give feedback. All of us have experience. If we eat something which is not to be eaten, immediately the body responds. Without even asking, कुछ ठीक है नहीं, वो हम बताएंगे आपको. You have put something in the body which is not needed. If you eat too spicy at the night, just wait for a few hours. अच्छा इधर है क्या? Just wait for 2 hours. Body will respond. So therefore we should know, all of us know that, regulation is very important. But still it is so very difficult. Why? Any thoughts? Why it is so very difficult to be regulated? Okay, we have to do it consistently, ठीक है? What else?
Pleasure seeking soul.
Okay, we want to enjoy. बोले यार छोड़ो यार, बाद में देखेंगे जो होना होगा. अभी तो सामने दिख रहा है अच्छा सा केक. दूर की क्यों सोचते हो? Live in the present. All these अपने self-help gurus are always there. Live in the present.
Just do it.
Just do it. Enjoy life. Live life king size. दूर की क्यों सोचते हैं भाई? our mind gets filled with the all the wonderful images of enjoyment. Maja aayega, maja aayega, maja aayega. And we can't become determined. And Krishna speaks something about determination in the second chapter. Anyone remembers? Translation also. If we are not determined, please take out second chapter, 41st verse. Yes. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि एकेह कुरु नंदन बहुशाखा हि अनंताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनां. One pointed determination is must in practicing spiritual life. But our mind doesn't allow us to be determined, because mind is always full of the previous thoughts of enjoyment, impressions of enjoyment. ये किया था, मजा आया था. उसके बाद कितनी सजा मिली थी वो नहीं याद होता है. The drunkard who is just coming out of the habit of drinking, as he passes by a liquor bar and a new brand of whiskey is put in front, mind immediately says, नया brand है, try कर लो, मजा आएगा. And that time, in the beginning, the mind starts speaking in the second person. We discussed that. You enjoy this. अरे एक बार पिछले वाला से अच्छा brand है ये. And then you buy the idea. And then the person starts thinking, why all the people are so angry and against drinking? Drinking is so good. I don't know why they are not allowing me to drink. Let me drink. Let's see who can stop me. Last time, he doesn't remember last time he drank too much and he was vomiting also. He fell down in a gutter. उसको कुछ याद नहीं आएगा. Mind gets filled with the impressions of enjoyment. The same with the food also. The food in front is too very exciting and attractive. How many of us have experienced this? We indulged, although we knew नहीं खाना चाहिए. हुआ है किसी के साथ? आपके साथ हुआ नहीं? Some people, they eat to live. Some people live to eat. मतलब खाने के लिए उनका. And some people, I know few people, they fear going in front of and putting their feet on weighing machine. नहीं वजन नहीं करेंगे, डर लगता है. ऐसी चीजों से दूर रहना चाहिए जो आपको मोटा बनाती हैं. कौन कौन सी? वेइंग मशीन, मिरर, आपकी फोटो और आपके पतले फ्रेंड. So eating means it should be regulated. It is very, very important. It's not for getting obsessed by yourself, but to serve Krishna better. Similarly, sleeping. If we are not sleeping at time, if we don't sleep at right time, we'll sleep at wrong time. सोना तो है ही. हाँ बोल रहे हो. सोना तो है ही. अगर आप भी नहीं सोएंगे, just like I was asking, medical college students, आप लोग कितने बजे सोते हैं? एक बोला 1 बजे रात के. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, एक बोलते 3, एक बोलते 4. और कॉलेज 8 बजे शुरू होता है ना. तो फिर बाकी कॉलेज में कॉलेज है ना सोने के लिए. So if we don't sleep at right time, we will sleep at wrong time. I told you the story of a student who was, हमारे base में, we have our student centers where students, they get up early in the morning and they do Mangal Aarti, chanting. And one time one of the students, he came late night, and he got up in the morning, attended the whole morning program, japa upa करके, प्रसाद लेके, first class एकदम breakfast लेके, he went to college. And बेचारे का, he was little late. So class में कोई भी पहले बेंच पे नहीं बैठता है ना, खाली रहता है हमेशा. So he had to sit in the front. And as the teacher was speaking, he dozed off. सो गया, आराम से सो गया. Easy journey to other planets. And the teacher came and tapped him. Hare Krishna, Krishna. You thought बाबा सोते सोते उठाया तो क्या करना है? That's the default setting. मतलब आप लोग, I think some of us we don't have experience of sitting in the circle and chanting together. मतलब कभी कभी हम लोग बैठे होंगे साथ में chanting कर रहे हैं ना, circle में generally sit in the circles and chant, so that if one person is sleeping, you can just tap him and he'll get up. आप लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, बट यू नो क्या होता है जब when somebody is sleeping and you tap him, उठ के ऐसा देखता है you are sleeping. मैं समाधि में था. I was just trying to be focused, you know. You disturbed my meditation. So it is very
ध्यान योग में
ध्यान योग में
प्रभु जी 2.44 में भी वही वर्ड है, व्यवसाय प्रकार बुद्धि समाधो न
वो
विधीयते।
क्या है? if you are absorbed in sense gratification, भोग ऐश्वर्य प्रसक्त, if you are absorbed in enjoyment, भोग और ऐश्वर्य में लगे हुए हैं, how can you be focused in your life? व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि समाधो न विधीयते. You will not have one pointed determination if you enjoy. If somebody thinks I will eat nicely and then I'll sit for studying, तो कैसे होगा स्टडी? और ऊपर से भगवत गीता, ऊपर से 13 चैप्टर इज द मोस्ट टेक्निकल चैप्टर. एनीवेज भगवत गीता में ज्यादा कुछ अभी समझता होगा अभी थोड़ा बहुत, बट जनरली तो थोड़ा हैवी रहता है. डिवोटीज दे यूज दिस एज स्लीपिंग पिल. नींद नहीं आती है तो ना प्रभु जी हम भगवत गीता खोलते हैं, उससे भी काम नहीं हुआ तो माला उठाते हैं ना, तो ऐसी नींद आती है कि श्योर शॉट है. क्या स्लीपलेसनेस का श्योर पक्का उपाय. हम लोग हंस रहे हैं, दुख की बात है ना. क्या करें? महाप्रभु बोलते हैं ना, दुर्दैव मिदृश मिहाजनी नानुराग. इट इज माय अनफॉर्चुनेट सिचुएशन, आई डोंट हैव टेस्ट फॉर द नेम्स. क्या करें? When pure devotees, when they chant, they get excited. They get such a bliss. साधक भक्तों का हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है बेचारे? हम लोग माला करते करते बाप रे माला हो गई यार, 16 माला में ऐसा. इट्स अ बिग एंडेवर, सच में बड़ा एंडेवर है. Those who are chanting regularly, it is really a big endeavor. Yesterday only I was speaking that we should not be surprised how many people come to Krishna consciousness. Many people will start coming. We should be surprised how many stays. And more surprising is chanting करना शुरू किया. And we are chanting 16 round. अरे बाप रे, ये तो परमवीर चक्र है. It's not so easy to chant. You know. So it is so very important to be regulated. Food and sleep, they are the basic needs. They should be taken care of properly. If we don't sleep properly, if we don't eat properly, then we can't function properly. We can't focus on our spiritual practices. We can't focus on our, material life, our job, profession, whatever. But the question is, don't we need to eat for bodily gratification? Don't we need? But if we are eating, it is not, if we are saying natyashnata means, are we restricting enjoyment? We are not restricting enjoyment. There are two words, gratification of the body and caring for the body. What is difference? Gratification for the body, of the body, and caring for the body.
जब तक ग्रेटिफिकेशन है, जब तक मन भरा नहीं तब तक
मन तो कभी भरता ही नहीं.
इसमें mindfulness.
ओके, मन भर गया, पेट भर गया, लेकिन मन नहीं भर रहा है. लगता है किसी को कभी? एक और पेट होता तो अच्छा होता था. फूड इज सो गुड, प्रसाद इज सो गुड, एक और थोड़ा रहता था तो वो भी डाल लेते थे. So it is very, very important. We should not be obsessed with the, it's like if somebody gets a car, Mercedes car. The purpose of the car is not just to stand in front and keep looking at the car. This body, we have to take care of the body. We have to put food in the body. But what's the purpose of the car? To take one to the destination. The purpose of the body is to connect to the Lord and serve better. Yes. So that's very important. There is a word in Nectar of Instruction. Rupa Goswami uses the word atyahar. Ati ahar. And there is a verse in Sanskrit, Subhashit. Ati sarvatra varjayet. याद है? बोल. याद है? शुरू कैसे होता है वो? Anyways, there is अति दानाद बलिर बद्धो हियति मानाद सुयोधना रावण विनष्टो रावणो लौल्य अति सर्वत्र वर्जयेत. We should avoid extremes anywhere. Na ati ashnata and not eating too much or not eating too less. This grabbing mentality is always there. Mind is full of that. Prabhupada gives a simple example. If a bag of grain is kept in the middle of the street, the birds will come, take few grains and go away. What the man will do? Will take the entire bag. Grabbing mentality is always there. That's why Ishopanishad describes, first verse, nice. Ishavasyam idam sarvam. These two of our devotees are doing a full-fledged 2 years course, Bhakti Shastri course कर रहे हैं, और Anup Prasad Prabhu ji and Renu Mata ji, with all the exams and everything. So आसान नहीं है. Ishavasyam idam sarvam. We should accept whatever belongs to our, whatever is in our quota. We should not see what others have. But people, they have this mentality of getting whatever they see. Some people, they fill their belly with food. Some people, they fill their mind with information. Some people, they fill their nameplates with degrees. So, aur chahiye. People will say, wow, such a wonderful personality. So, but they are missing the important point. Why people want all these things? Why people want more and more degrees? Why people want to get more and more information so that recognition. Okay, what they'll get by recognition?
Feeling value, self-gratification.
Okay, उससे क्या होगा self gratification से? Respect. Or ultimately what people want? उससे क्या होगा? मतलब what is that innate need of every living entity?
Fulfill their ego.
To be happy, right? To enjoy, to be happy. But all the endeavors we are doing in this world, we ultimately want to be happy. But people think, if I'll get all this reputation, people will come and they'll love me, they'll respect me. But ऐसा होता नहीं है. सामने आके बोलेंगे, wow, you have such a wonderful car, you have so many degrees. But inside, why you have? I want these degrees. आपके पास क्यों है मालूम नहीं. So that is how it is, So people, they think by all these material needs, na ati ashnata, na chaikantam, na ati ashnata and na anashnata. Material needs, they are actually painkillers. We have discussed this in our Gita course, this example, difference between painkillers and medicines. What are the advantages of painkillers over medicines? Immediate relief, temporary, वो तो disadvantage होगा, temporary relief. और advantage क्या है? Painkiller over medicines. Instant relief, okay. Or easily available, cheaply available. Medicines, they may be costly. You have to take the medicine for a long time. Do we prefer medicines or painkillers? But painkiller लगता है कि नहीं? Sometimes. हमेशा नहीं लगता painkiller. फीवर में क्रोसिन खाते हैं. क्यों? Painkiller है ना वो. We all need painkillers, but just painkillers are not sufficient. What are the popular painkillers we have in our day-to-day life?
मेटा सीन
सॉरी मैंने क्वेश्चन गलत पूछा.
मोबाइल
सोशल मीडिया
Painkillers are those things which give us temporary happiness. Medicines are those things which give us permanent happiness. Now please tell me, what are the popular painkillers? Okay, all the social media and TV chalo, or sweets. फूड बेसिकली ईट, खाओ और भूल जाओ. स्टूडेंट्स का वो रहता है, टेंशन आ रहा है ना, खाते हैं सो जाते हैं, उठने के बाद देखेंगे. ज्यादा टेंशन है, सो जाओ खा के. दैट्स द इजीएस्ट वे टू फॉरगेट ऑल द मिजरीज. लाइक ऑस्ट्रिच, प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है क्या करो? दिख नहीं रहा है ना, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? क्यों? मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है ना. दैट्स हाउ पीपल लिव इन दिस वर्ल्ड. यू नो, लोग बोलते हैं आप लोग इसको ना यार, मरने वरने की बात बहुत बोलते हो यार. लाइफ इज सो गुड, आप फिर सो नेगेटिव अबाउट लाइफ. खाली आप मरने की बात बोलते रहते हो. अरे नहीं भी बोलेंगे तो मृत्यु आने वाली है ना. एज प्रभुपाद वुड से, एज श्योर एज डेथ. हाउएवर रिच वन मे बी, कैन ही ब्राइब डेथ कि भाई 1 मिनट के बाद आ जाना? Prabhupada tells a story. Once he saw one of the very rich person. He was dying, and a doctor came and he said, "Doctor, can you please give me 4 more years? I have so many projects to do." Doctor said, "I cannot give you 4 days also. You cannot argue with death." Prabhupada एक बार बहुत एक ऐसा funny सा story बोलते हैं. One person, he got a death notice. He understood कि मैं अभी मरने वाला हूँ. और मरने के समय कौन आते हैं? यमराज नहीं आते, यमदूत आते हैं. So he thought, यमराज किसके लिए आते हैं मालूम है? If somebody is really distinguished personality, यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े सम्मानित व्यक्ति हैं, राजा हैं, ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी, धार्मिक किंग है, फॉर हिम यमराज हिमसेल्फ कम्स. उसके लिए यमदूतों को नहीं भेजते हैं. रेस्पेक्ट है ना बाबा, उनको थोड़ा लेके आने के लिए ही कम्स हिमसेल्फ. सो ही थॉट यमराज आएंगे. तो यमराज इज अ वेरी सोबर सेंटली पर्सन, यू नो. ही विल नॉट कम टू अ फिल्दी प्लेस. सो व्हाट ही थॉट, आई विल कवर माय होल बॉडी विथ स्टूल. तो यमराज आएंगे नहीं मेरे पास. कैन इट हेल्प? Whatever you do, you can't, get away as sure as death. So that is very, very wonderful to understand. So people, they think यार लाइफ के बारे में बात करो यार, क्यों आप मरने की बात करते हो? जब तक जियो आनंद में जियो. एक श्लोक है ना, चार्वाक मुनि बोलते हैं ना, यावत जीवेत सुखम जीवेत ऋणम कृत्वा घृतम पिबेत भस्मीभूतस्य देहस्य कुतः पुनरागमन भवेत. जब तक जियो सुख से जियो. यावत जीवेत सुखम जीवेत. Beg, borrow or steal, but eat food made in ghee. ऋणम कृत्वा घृतम पिबेत. Why? अरे भस्मीभूतस्य देहस्य, मरने ही वाले हैं ना. The body is going to be burnt. Any of you have seen पुनर्जन्म? नहीं. So why are you believing all this stuff? So हमारे वैदिक सभ्यता में भी ऐसे ऐसे हैं जो they are not believers of God. So some people say just forget miseries, enjoy indulgence and gratification. We have heard once there are various living entities or animals, they get attracted by some of their sense object and they die. What is attracted and dies because of his vision? Anyone remembers? Any entity? Moth, yes. You must have seen here many insects. आग जल रही है, they come and they enter the fire.
टोटल 5
They die. Which insect dies because of his smell? Not insect. Which animal dies because of its smell? नहीं. Actually insect ही है. Bumblebee, yes. Bumblebee is so very attracted by the smell of the lotus flower. He sits on the lotus flower in the evening and is so absorbed smelling the aroma, and the lotus flower closes at night. And Bumblebee has the power to just tear apart the petals of the lotus and come out. But इतना उसमें वो रम गया है, he doesn't even leave and dies there. Who dies because of taste?
Fish.
Fish. I hope none of us have done fishing. So the fisherman puts a bait in the hook, and the fish thinks, wow, such a wonderful food. And the fish, as soon as eats that, the fisherman doesn't immediately start winding up, waits for some time, and the insect and that worm goes little inside along with the hook, and the fish is thinking, ये दुनिया वाले ऐसे ही बोलते हैं sense gratification is bad. देखो, I am enjoying also, nothing is happening. Maybe he didn't get what he wanted, that's why he is saying like this. मुझे तो मजा आ रहा है. And as he is enjoying, after some time, winding up starts, and immediately the fish is out of the water. So when people say don't enjoy, when regulative principles of freedom, आपको नहीं मिला लगता है. I am enjoying life. Why are you telling me to stop enjoyment? Okay, which animal gets caught because of the क्या बच गया?
Snow buggy.
Skin. Touch.
Elephant.
When the elephant has to be captured, she elephant, a big hole is made, and the she elephant is kept on the other side. And the elephant, he tries to go and enjoy with the she elephant, doesn't realize there is a ditch and falls down. Which animal gets attracted and caught because of hearing?
Deer.
Deers, they get attracted by the flute sound. So all our senses are deadly. We have all five active. इनमें तो एक active है. We have all five active. So how much alert we should be? That's why Krishna speaks in second chapter. You should not allow even one of the senses to wander. कौन सा श्लोक? नहीं.
इंद्रियाणि हि चरन्ता यं तदस्य
Yeah,
हरति
उसमें एक है ना,
प्रज्ञां
you should not allow even one of the senses to wander. Even if one of the senses is wandering, you will be lost. Just like Vayurnavami Vambhasi, yes. So enjoy, but that is not the way to get free from the problems of the world. Some people, other type of painkiller is mind therapies and positive thinking, energy healing, self-help books. लाफ्टर थेरेपी, लाफ्टर क्लब्स भी रहते हैं ना. इधर है क्या क्लब करूं में?
है. इधर नहीं, राहेजा में.
इधर नहीं है. आप गए थे?
सुनते हैं, सामने दिखता है.
आपको तो जाके क्लास दे सकते हैं. How to actually become happy. So all these things, they don't help us for long. One time there was a person went to a psychiatrist. And he said, "Sir, doctor, I am really depressed." Doctor said, "Arey, abhi, there is a wonderful fair which has come, and that Mela has a wonderful clown. You please go and attend that show. All your depression will be gone." He said, "Sir, I am that clown." मैं लोगों को हंसा रहा हूँ, मैं दुखी हूँ. So all the externals doesn't help for long. And another type of superficial, medicine, painkiller is all the superficial blind rituals. Television channels are full of so many gurus. तो क्या क्या बोलते हैं? हमने एक दो पहले बताया था ना आपको. आप समोसा खाते हैं? समोसे में लाल चटनी डालते हैं कि हरी चटनी डालते हैं? मैं तो लाल चटनी डालता हूँ. वही प्रॉब्लम है. हरी चटनी डालिए, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. और लोग भी बोलते हैं काम करता है. हाँ, वही तो ना. अमेजिंग नहीं है वो? That's how people are. People like to be cheated. Krishna speaks 4th chapter 11th verse. क्या है निकालिए एक बार 4th chapter 11th verse. Krishna speaks something about these people. People like to be cheated, so Krishna sends somebody who will cheat them royally.
ये
यथामा
Yes. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्
ताम तत्रैव भजामि
मम वर्तमान वर्तन्ते
मम वर्तनं वर्तन्ते
मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः.
मनुष्य पार्थ सर्वस्य.
You go to Krishna and you ask something superficial. सस्ते सस्ते में कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं मिलता है. All Chinese product. चले तो चांद तक नहीं तो शाम तक. So that's how all these things are. So people want cheap things. They don't want to follow anything. इनके पास बस जाओ और प्रॉब्लम बोलो, ये सोल्यूशन देंगे और इतना दक्षिणा दे तो हो गया काम, और कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इस्कॉन में आएंगे तो बाप रे माला करो, 4 नियम का पालन करो और सत्संग में आओ, और नहीं आएंगे तो फोन भी करते हैं, फिर मैसेज भी आता है क्यों नहीं आए, क्या हुआ. इतना झंझट कौन करेगा भाई. So people, they don't want something substantial in their life. Sasta. No responsibilities. This is the age of people who are not so much responsible. They don't want to take responsibilities. So भगवान देते हैं ऐसे लोग, लो आपके लिए स्पेशल कस्टम मेड बना के भेजा मैंने इनको, आपको अच्छे से बुद्धू बनाएंगे. So that's the age, There are some people, sometimes they follow blind rituals. क्यों कर रहे हैं मालूम ही नहीं है, बस कर रहे हैं. And sometimes they get all the dhongi gurus and babas who cheat them. And sometimes people go to holy places for sightseeing. वो तीर्थ स्थान धाम यात्रा करके आए और वहाँ पे मंदिरों का दर्शन किया और तीर्थ में स्नान किया और फोटो खिंचाए और हमारी यात्रा हो गई. एक बहुत ही भयंकर स्टेटमेंट भागवतम का बताऊं, मेरा नहीं है, पहले डिस्क्लेमर दे रहा हूं. भागवतम says यस्यात्म बुद्धि गुणपे त्रिधातु के स्वाधि कलत्रादिषु भौमयुज्यति यत्तीर्थ बुद्धि सलिलेन करहि चेत् जनेषु भिज्ञेषु सैव गोखरः. This verse says, if somebody thinks his body is all in all, Atma Buddhi. If somebody thinks my family is all in all, Griha Buddhi. If somebody thinks my birthplace is all in all, Janani Janama Bhumi Suragadapi Gariyasi, my birthplace and my motherland is the best. And if somebody thinks going to holy place means जाओ जमुना में स्नान करके आओ, गंगा में स्नान करके आओ, हो गया ना मेरी तीर्थ यात्रा. Such people are compared to go and khara. What is go? Cow. Khara?
उसका पैर.
Donkey. इतना गाली क्यों दे रहे भाई भागवतम? Because donkey is known for not being so intelligent. But the purpose of holy place is not just to take bath. Purpose is to go and hear about that place and meet the holy people there. Hear from them about that holy place. That will make the Tirth Yatra successful. Bhagavatam has set a very high standard. So therefore, superficial medicine doesn't help many times. So we have to understand this. So Prabhupada writes in the purport about all this. He says, regulation of diet and sleep is recommended for a yogi. Too much eating is, that means eating more than required. Too much eating means eating more than is required to keep the body and soul together. कितना जीवित रहने के लिए जरूरी है उतना खाइए. That is called as a yogi. And then Prabhupada writes how if somebody is not offering the food to the Lord and he is eating, what is he eating? He's eating,
See.
please, 3rd chapter, 13th verse.
यज्ञ शिष्टा
So Prabhupada is quoting that verse here. Those who indulge in animal killing, those who indulge in animal food, drinking, smoking and eating food which is not first offered to Krishna will suffer sinful reactions. Why? Because plants also have life. We are killing a life. Yagya shishtasina santo मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः
मुच्यते सर्वकिल्बिषैः
भुञ्जते ते तु अघं पापा
भुजते तत्
ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणात्. They are
एकचत्यात्मकारणात्.
eating sin personified. So that's how it is important that we eat properly, but eat food which is sinless. And process is simple. Bhagwan ko bhog lagana hai. Anyways, we have to eat 3 times. And why not just offer to the Lord whatever we have made? So that is what is described. And then Prabhupada writes about sleeping also. Prabhupada would say many times, one should not sleep more than 6 hours daily. इसमें भी लिखते हैं. Of course, everybody's body is different. We should not, become fanatic. If somebody feels, नहीं मेरे को तो 7 घंटा नहीं सोया तो I feel sleepy whole day. No problem, please sleep. Everybody should understand their own self and work accordingly so that they can function properly and serve Krishna better. Okay, next verse. Yuktahara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu yukta swapnavabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha. Translation.
He who is regulated in his habits of eating, sleeping, recreation and work can mitigate all material pains by practicing the yoga system.
Yeah. So again, Krishna is repeating the same principles in this verse also. Yukta ahar. Yukta has few meanings. Yukta means balanced or regulated. And Yukta also means doing all these things so that we can connect to the Lord properly. Yukta ahar, one who is regulated in eating. Yukta vihar, regulated in recreation. Yukta cheshta and karma, one who is regulated in his endeavors and one who is regulated in his material activities. Yukta swapna bodha, regulated in sleeping and waking up. Yogo bhavati dukkha, he destroys all the suffering. So if somebody is regulated in his all these activities, naturally he works according to the laws of nature. And he has a very wonderful foundation so that he'll not be miserable in life. He'll not suffer. Yukta ahar. Prabhupada tells a story. There was one king who was so addicted to eating. He would eat and now stomach is full. What to do? He would take some vomiting tablets. Vomit out. Again eat. Again vomit out. Again eat. मतलब खाना उसको पसंद था वो. He was addicted to enjoying the tastes. Unfortunately, he could not live long. So Yuktahar, it is said that we live on 1/3 of what we eat, and on the rest 2/3 doctors live. मैंने आपको देख के नहीं बोला. So there are 3 factors in food: taste, health, and the prayer we offer before eating food. These 3 things are there in the food. Sometimes we eat because of the taste, and sometimes we eat because we want to live healthy. So while we are eating anyways, that's why we transform our eating also in a spiritual, devotional activity. How? By expressing gratitude towards the Lord. That's what we do at the end of our classes. We chant this Mahaprasade prayer. I hope everybody knows the meaning of this Mahaprasade prayer. बहुत थोड़ा समझना भी चाहिए क्या गा रहे हैं. ये तो गा तो रहे हैं। महाप्रसादे गोविंदे नाम ब्राह्मणी एंड वैष्णवे। ये नमो ब्राह्मणी नहीं है,
नाम
नाम। स्व अल्प पुण्य वतम राजन, अब एक राजा को बताया जा रहा है, विश्वासो नैव जायते। ओ किंग, इफ somebody has very less pious credits, जिनके पुण्य कम हैं, he will not have faith in three things: Mahaprasad of the Lord, the Naam of the Lord, and the devotees of the Lord. They are very powerful. It is described one time, Ramanujacharya, he took some prasad and he went to a nearby pond to wash his hands, and few grains of rice were there stuck in his hand. They entered the water and a fish came and they ate that. Immediately the fish got transformed into a 4-handed Vaikuntha Murti, and a Vaikuntha Viman came and took him back to spiritual world. That is the power of the Maha, not just Maha, it is called as Mahaprasad. Mahaprasad means prasad of the devotees, prasad of the Lord. Mahaprasad means the prasad remnants of the devotees of the Lord. They are all the more powerful. That's how small boy, we have heard about the story of Narad Muni's past life. Who was he in the past life? He was a son of ordinary maid servant. उसके पहले क्या थे वो? He was a Gandharva. His name was Upbarahana. He was a wonderful singer. And he was very beautiful, always surrounded by apsaras, enjoying life. One time, the Prajapatis called him for Kirtan. Singer होगा उसी को तो बुलाएंगे, मुझे थोड़ा ना बुलाएंगे. The person who is a good singer. So, he came and he started singing Bollywood songs. Prabhupada writes in that purport. He started singing material songs. Prajapatis became so angry. They said, you are behaving like a Shudra. You go and become a Shudra. So he was cursed to become a Shudra, son of a maid servant. And in the 4 months of Chaturmas, abhi gaya na Chaturmas, 4 devotees came and stayed in the ashram of their guru. And his mother was serving these 4 devotees, offering food, offering prasad, taking care of some needs. And a small child, small Narad boy, he was helping his mother. Uchchishtalepān anumodito dvijai sakritsma bhunje tadapasta kilbishai evam pravrittasya vishuddha chetasastad dharma evatma ruchi prajayate. Uchchishtalepān, what he did? He would offer prasad to these devotees and they would take, और प्लेट में कुछ बच गया. One time, on their own they gave, ये तुम ले लो. On their own they gave. ऐसा नहीं कि मिलेगा क्या हो. ये वो रसगुल्ला वाला महाप्रसाद चाहिए था. He just took once. Sakrit means once. And he became so empowered. He got purified of all his sins. He became attracted to the process of devotional service. So that is how a person who doesn't have sufficient faith, sufficient punya, unko ye तीनों में विश्वास नहीं. विश्वासो नैव जायते. And it goes on. Sharira, Vidyajal, this body is a network of illusion. On top of that, we have Jada Indriya. We have senses, which are very powerful. We just saw 5 senses. Jadendriya, Tahekal, and Jive, Faile, Vishaya, Sagare. Amongst these 5 senses, what is most powerful? Tongue. बाकी सबका एक एक ही फंक्शन है. Tongue के 2 हैं.
खाना और बोलना.
So that's why Krishna is so merciful. तार मध्य जिह्वा आती. जिह्वा is the most powerful. ताके जेता कठिन संसारे Krishna बड़ा दयामय. Krishna has mercifully sent this Mahaprasad, his prasad. So prasad anna dilo bhai. So therefore say annamrit pao Radha Krishna Vadana. Offer prayer to the Lord. So that's how it is so very important to know when to eat and when to stop. That is also a responsibility of every individual, especially a spiritual practitioner. We are not this body, but we are in this body. We have to take care of our body properly so that we can function nicely, so that we can chant properly, so that we can practice bhakti properly. Some time back I had seen a nice small video clip. About the eating habits. When to eat, how much to eat. When we start eating, after eating for some time, we have first time belching. तो क्या लगता है हमको अभी पेट खाली हो गया और खा सकते हैं. That's an indication now we are full. Stomach is giving an indication. Now stop eating. But what sometimes we do, increase eating. It's like yellow light is meant to give an indication. बाबा रुकना है, slow down. अभी क्या होता है? Accelerate. बाबा अभी red होने वाला है. So that is the mentality. And then second belch means there is little air on the top of the stomach. वो भी बाहर आ गया अभी. Now our stomach is full. उसके ऊपर भी डालते हैं, then we acidity and all that. And after some time, after 4 or 5 hours, another belching happens. That means now stomach says, now somehow I have digested the last time's food. Now please give me time. हमको तो भूख लग गई. It is time to eat now again. So we have to understand that all our practices, whatever we do, spirituality means to transform everything into a Krishna conscious activity. Even an ordinary process of eating. Why I am eating? So that I can keep my body fit, so that I can chant properly, serve properly, take care of my family properly. So that is very important. Okay, we'll continue on this next time. Any questions? Anybody has any questions or comments? Yes.
Prabhuji, sometimes when maybe we are out in the office or whatever, we are eating with somebody else, and maybe it's not possible also to offer the food to Krishna. I mean, it's not practically possible at that point of time. So what do we do?
Generally in those situations, we just mentally pray to the Lord and we say, oh Lord, I can't do anything, please accept this. Although it may not be a very proper way to offer, but please accept this and purify my consciousness. That is what we can do in those situations.
So sometimes we also share, like we are taking from somebody else's tiffin, or we are...
That we should avoid.
Okay.
As a spiritual practitioner, we should know food is a very powerful means to transmit consciousness. We are not just eating the food. When we share food, we are sharing the consciousness in which the food is cooked. That is a refined science. Because all of us have experienced, after staying out for a long time, if we return home, हॉस्टल में रह के 6 महीने 1 साल के बाद घर पे गए, तो माँ के हाथ का खाना और 5-star होटल के शेफ के हाथ का खाना. Although the chef may be more expert than the mother, but which food we prefer? क्यों? ओरिजिनल, वो भी ओरिजिनल है ना, उसमें क्या है डुप्लीकेट? It is made with love, The consciousness of mother is, I am making this for my child, so that he becomes healthy. If we are eating outside food, the person who has made that food, in what consciousness he has made the food? If he is making the food seeing some obscene things, that consciousness goes in the food and we get affected. So as much as possible we should try to avoid eating outside food. Sometimes fanatically we should do that, unless it is needed because of some cordial functions and unavoidable. That is very important. After some time, we should be a little strict in our spiritual practices because we have to maintain the sanity of our mind. That's why we travel. So train में जा रहे हैं तो चलो अभी घर से लेके जाएंगे, और we have some devotee on some station staying, okay वहाँ से मंगा लेते हैं. Even if it is Jain food offered by the hotels and everything, what type of food they are making, who is making, so we should avoid. But ठीक है, अभी कुछ है ही नहीं option, then it is okay. If things are unavoidable, then no problem. Don't fast. Better eat. But if things are avoidable, chalega. No problem. Avoid it. We should not eat just because I like this. वो वाले पानी पूरी वाले का जो पानी है ना, अरे क्या मस्त रहता है, उसमें हिस्सा करके वो वाला पाव भाजी वाला है ना, अरे प्रभु जी, he makes without onion garlic, you know. Still, avoid eating outside. So Prabhupada was very strict with his disciples. जैसे Prabhupada के disciples अभी नए लोग अभी devotee बन गए हैं, तो अभी इच्छाएं तो हैं. So once Prabhupada is walking on the street and a few of the devotees are in one shop hotel eating and they see Prabhupada, टेबल के नीचे घुसो, Prabhupada देख लेंगे. At least we know that this is not right. Okay. Our Paramatma tells us. We have to just learn to hear the voice of Paramatma. धीरे से बोलते हैं मत खाओ, बट ऊपर से मन चिल्लाता है खा लेना. क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इतने साल तो इधर उधर का खाया ना, अभी समंदर में एक बूंद और डालेगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. Mind can give so wonderful reasons, you know. मतलब mind can convince us nicely. So sometimes we have to be strict. Okay. Sharing food is not a problem. आप प्रसाद लेके आए, अरे share to the whole office, no problem. But when it comes to accepting, we are restricted. We are reserved. Sharing is not a problem. Accepting is problem. The 6 principles of loving dealings, we know. Dadati, pratigrahणati, गुह्यमाख्याति, पृच्छति, भुंक्ते, भोजयते चैव, षड्विधा प्रीति लक्षणम. The 6 symptoms, 6 loving dealings between devotees or anyone. You do these 6 dealings with anyone, you will develop good relationship. एक बार मैं कॉलेज में ऐसा बोला तो एक लड़का बोलता है जल्दी बताओ. What are the 6 dealings? It begins with sharing articles. You share your pen, pencil, you share your car or bike for a few minutes or for one ride. It begins with sharing articles. Then it goes on to sharing food. आप घर पे आइए, okay, I'll also come to your home. Sharing food. Cafe coffee day. What's the tagline of that?
Lot can happen.
Lot can happen over coffee. What happens over coffee? दिल की बातें होती हैं उधर. To share your hearts. ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति भुंक्ते भोजयते, and then गुह्यम आख्याति पृच्छति. You share your heart and I'll tell what is in my heart. If you are sitting with your friend who is not interested in spirituality and you are saying ये भगवत गीता क्लास थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है आजकल, वो बोलेगा मैं तो कब से बोल रहा हूँ मत जाओ. Don't share your heart with those people who are not interested in spirituality, because our faith is soft yet and they are very very powerful. They'll convince us. हम लोग सोचेंगे बराबर बोल रहा है यार. मैं भी वही सोच रहा था, कौन सी अशुभ घड़ी थी जब मैंने माला पकड़ा हाथ में, कैसे फंस गया मैं. So we should be very careful. Okay. Any other question, or we'll chant 2 rounds together? Yes.
प्रभु जी, जैसे आपने बोला that there is this inner voice that stops us कि मत करो ये, तो बहुत बार जब मैं कराटे प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ घर पे, तो
किस पे करते हो?
घर पे
किसके साथ?
मैं सिर्फ
अच्छा ठीक है, आगे.
तो वो जब भी मैं मारता हूँ तब मेरी वो अंदर वाली जो पता नहीं चलता कि मेरा दिमाग है या क्या है, लेकिन जो बोलता है कि पता चला यहाँ किक मारा और पता चला।
आपकी मम्मी ना अभी साइकोलॉजी कर रही। मम्मी नोज बेटर। मम्मी है कि नहीं है? अरे माता जी माता जी यू कैन एक्सप्लेन हिम। उसका मन बोल रहा है कि भगवान बोल रहा है। So you have to just listen to what your mummy says, okay? That's it.
मैं नहीं समझता।
ना तो वो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है ना, नहीं समझते तो। You don't have to think ये मन की आवाज है कि परमात्मा की आवाज है, बस ये समझना ये मम्मी की आवाज है क्या।
वो नहीं है, मतलब जब भी मैं मारता हूँ that is what stops me। तो मेरा पता नहीं क्या बोलता है, तो कुछ तो रहता है that tells।
बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे हम तुम्हारा कुछ तो। ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच। हरे कृष्णा। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जय। सो नाउ वी विल चैंट 2 राउंड्स टुगेदर। जिनके पास माला नहीं है प्लीज, माला हमारे पास है कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ले लीजिए, मेरी नहीं। ये ना एक बार ना हमारा दीक्षा होती है ना, महाराज जब दीक्षा देते हैं व्हेन गुरु गिव्स दीक्षा, सो उसमें ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है ना, I'll chant 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra on my beads and follow 4 regulative principles. So that is a very time of great anxiety. मतलब महाराज के सामने बैठ के बोलना ना तो लोग कुछ बोलते रहते हैं. So one devotee comes and says, Maharaj, I take a vow that I'll chant 16 rounds on your beads. Maharaj said, why you will chant on my beads? You chant on your beads. एक बार एक दूसरा डिवोटी बोलता है, महाराज आई टेक अ वाव दैट आई विल फॉलो 4 रेगुलेटरी प्रिंसिपल्स, मीट ईटिंग, इंटॉक्सिकेशन, गैम्बलिंग, इलिसिट सेक्स। तो सच में, नो एग्जैजरेशन। देन ही थॉट कुछ तो मिसिंग है इसमें लगता है। ही सेड नो महाराज, नो। सो महाराज सेज दैट नो वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल। तो बहुत कुछ फनी होता रहता है चैंटिंग इनिशिएशन में। So as we know, chanting means 5 P's: posture, pace, pronunciation, the place and prayerful mood. ठीक है? Sit straight as much as possible or whatever makes you comfortable. Pronunciation. Every word should be pronounced properly. The pace should be so that you don't rush and you don't chant so slowly. So now one round we'll chant together and then one round you all can chant individually. Prayerful mode, attentive chanting is the most important thing. ठीक है? Try to be present. That is very important. Be prayerful. One of the things we should always remember is mantrartha chintanam. Next time I'll tell the 6 things of chanting. Next Friday बताऊंगा. 6 things which are required. One of that is mantra artha chintan. What is the meaning of this Hare Krishna mantra? O Srimati Radharani, please engage me in service of Krishna, who is all attractive and who is source of all pleasure. तो बीच में
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद।
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Jayo Radha Gopinath Radhe
Radha Gopinath Radhe.
Jayo Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Nitai Gaur Hari Bol जय कलयुग पावन हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय नमस्ते नरसिंहाय
Namaste Narasimhaya.
प्रह्लादलाददायिने
Praladadadayini.
हिरण्यकाशीपूर्वक्षः
Yanakashipurvakta.
शीलचन्द्रानकालाये
Shilasantanakalaye.
हितो नरसिंहा परतो नरसिंहा
Vito Nasima Pato Nasima.
यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंहा
यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंहा
बहिर्नरसिंहा हृदये नरसिंहा
नरसिंहा हृदये नरसिंहा
नरसिंहमयं शरणं प्रपदे तव करकमलवरे नखा अद्भुत शृङ्गार ललिता हिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृङ्गा केशवलिता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे तव करकमलवरे
अद्भुत श्रृंगार
ललिता हिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृङ्गा केशवलिता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे
जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
जय नरसिंहदेव 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 जय नरसिंहदेव
नरसिंहदेव नरसिंहदेव नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव
जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज
जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज
जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद
जय प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद
निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
जय सर्व विघ्न विनाशक श्री लक्ष्मी नरसिंह देव भगवान की जय
जय।
भक्त शिरोमणि प्रहलाद महाराज की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय Anyone who has come for the first time today? Okay. You two kids have come for the first time today. What's your name? Okay. महाप्रसादे गोविंदे
महाप्रसादे गोविंदे
नाम ब्राह्मणी वैष्णवे
नम ब्राह्मणी वैष्णवे
स्वल्प पुण्यावतम राजन्
सर्वपुण्या प्रथम राजन
विश्वासुनैव जायते
विश्वासने विजायते
हीरा विद्याजा
लीला विद्याचा
जड़ेन्द्रियतहिका
वेद्य कायका
जीवे फैले विषय सागरे
ये फेरे विषय सागरे
द्वार मध्ये जीवाति
नारमते जीवाति
लोभ माया सुदुर्मति
उमा माता सुधर्मति
ताके जेता कठिन संसारे
राकजिता कठिन संसारे
कृष्ण बड़ा दयामय
कृष्ण बड़ा दया में
परिवारे जीव जाय
जीव जाए जीव जाए
स्वप्रसाद अन्न दिलोभा
जो प्रसाद अधिलोभा
श्रीयन्नामृत पाओ
ये नामित पाओ
राधा कृष्ण गुण गाओ
राधा कृष्ण गुणगा
विमला को श्री चैतन्य निताय
देवना तो श्री चैतन्य नित्य
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानंद
प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
अद्वैत गदाधर
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम
हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे
हरे
जय श्री भगवत महाप्रसाद की जय